my friends, Running Kimono here. Weather report for you guys. It's about 70 degrees. Hi to my mom if she's watching. And if you love little giveaways, there may or may not be one at the end of the video. I don't even know if I'm lying this morning, but there might be something. So hang out till the end if you like little giveaways. And for those of you that like little friends in the backyard, we had a little barn cat show up. Her name is PJ, which is Pumpkin Jr. And yes, that bowl was full. She chowed down quite a bit this morning. She just comes to visit every morning. Okay. Walgreens deals in store. If you don't have a booster and you just want to do a couple deals, I'm going to throw a couple at you right off the bat and then show you a deal with a $20 spend 20 get 5 back. So the first one is to grab one of these toothbrushes for $2.99. We're looking for products that are $2.99. And if you look here, $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward, which is a manufacturer. So we're going to grab one brush and one paste. Remember, $2.99 a pop. Okay, so this is what your cart should look like. One $2.99 brush, one $2.99 paste for $5.98. These are the digital coupons that we're going to load. $1 off the paste and $1 off the brush. Here's the math, guys. One Colgate brush and one Colgate paste is $5.98. Subtracting the $1 off the brush and the $1 off the paste, well, that's $2 of digitals off right there. You're left with paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free. But hang on to your hat for a second. Fetch rewards, if you go to their discoveries page, I had an extra $2 for any Colgate product. So it makes this free plus a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance and you're doing this without a booster, absolutely go for it. To give you a quick little sneak peek here, this is what the register reward looks like, and it's a manufacturer. If you look right at the top, $4 off. Like, how nice is that? And it printed perfectly for me today. And then over on your Fetch Rewards account, here it is, 2,000 points, which is $2 for Colgate oral care product. If you've been kind of on the fence about signing up for the Fetch Rewards app and you're a newer couponer, check out the link and my referral notes in the notes. If you download the app, use my referral code, and submit your first receipt, which could be a Taco Bell order from last week or a pack of gum. You're given $2. And when they have these little things like an extra $2 for Colgate, it makes this app worth its weight in gold. So if you're new to this and you're just like, I don't really care for Fetch Rewards, check it out. It's a really great app. They give points towards anything you're buying in the store, and those points amount towards gift cards. So it's really terrific. Okay, the next little stealio that we have, if you want to just do this because you don't have a booster, these scopes, which are the big mamas, they are $4.99. It's very selected products that are working with a $6.50 off 3 digital coupon. Here's the tag. I know a lot of you are like, I need to look at the tag. So here it is for you. And then $6.50 off of 3. So the caveat here is, guys, that you have to buy 3 products for this coupon to actually work. But this is a very generous one. So what I did, guys, was I grabbed 3 of these liter scopes. So I'm going to have some very fresh breath for the next many, many months. So grabbing 3 of the scopes for $14.97, subtracting that $6.50 digital off of 3, you're paying $8.47, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $3.47 for the 3 or $1.15 per mouthwash. Now, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or if you have a store register reward that you also want to throw in, absolutely go for it just to get that out of pocket a lot less. And just to give you a quick sneak peek, here is my $5. It's a manufacturer register reward. How lovely is this guy? Okay, here is my booster, which is 5 back when I spend 20. Both of my store cards find this. Find this at the top of your digital coupons folder, the just general coupons folder. That's where you'll find it, and load it. It is of a one-time use, and this is how I used it, guys. So for my little order, I got 3 of those mouthwashes and then 2 of the palmolives. The palmolives are on a monthly promotion, and I'll show you the tags and all that good stuff, but it's buy 2, get back $3 in Walgreens cash, and everything in this little order worked out beautifully and perfectly for me, so it was my day. And here is the palmolive, that Free and Gentle one, which is clear. It's supposed to be perfume free, and I kind of find the palmolive dish soap to be very perfumey. My husband can smell anything a mile away, so maybe this will be the trick. For all of you that like to look at the tags, here it is. So it's on Palmolive, Suavitel, Fabuloso, and Ajax with this specific tag at $2.99. I also threw in 2 register rewards from last week. They're both manufacturers. If you look at the top, one's a 3 off and one's a 5 off, and it worked perfectly, and my register reward for Scope still printed out. So here's the math for my basket. 3 Scope mouthwashes for $14.97, 2 palmolives for $5.98. So the total there is $20.95. I had my booster loaded. I had 1 digital coupon loaded, which was the $6.50 off of 3 for the Scope. I also presented a $3 register reward and a $5 register reward from last week, and they are manufacturer register rewards, not the store ones. So those scan perfectly. With my debit card, I paid $6.45, and then I got back $8 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster and 3 for the palmolive, and a $5 register reward for the Scopes. I think this is a super smart deal. Remember, as we're using that 5 back when you spend 20 booster, you cannot use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Just to show you my little cutie, here's my $5 register reward for the Scope. So I'm really happy to have this for the next couple of deals, and like, how lovely is that? Now, as I was saying about the palmolive deal for this, I was talking about this in my Friday video, but in case you missed it, if you wanted to mix and match, absolutely you can do it. For whatever reason, somebody at my store cleared out all of the Ajax, which is kind of bizarre, but I just want to show you what else is included that I could photograph. So the Suavitel, that one, see where my hand's covering? That's a Snuggle, but that little $3 $2.99 one, they have this blue one, and they also have like a little yellow one, which is like some sort of like summer scent. Suavitel's a very nice fabric softener. And then also the Fabuloso, the $2.99 one. I think both the yellow and the purple one are included. I don't know why one wasn't tagged, but they usually are. So there it is, tagged at all its glory. Okay, so the Arm & Hammer this week is $1.99. That is a stock-up price because they're usually close to $7. Look at that. So save $5. So grabbing one of them, or you can grab more of them. I have a deal for you guys. So a lot of us were doing that P&G rebate of spend $50, get back a $15 gift card. And that gift card for me only works at Walgreens when I run it as a debit card. I couldn't use it at Walmart and other stores. So using that P&G rebate card, if you did a deal where you spent $50 and got back a $15 gift card, mine just arrived in the mail. This is what I would do if I were you. Grab 7 of them at $13.93. Use your gift card and then just pay down the tax. It's a very persnickety gift card that if it's below or more than or less than a sum, it just will not scan. It has to be a certain amount, which is really bizarre. I would do this, like get something to work with, like something on sale, something like this, because I had even issues scanning it at the store this morning. We had to scan it like 6 different times. It's just a pain, this gift card. Okay, let's talk about the soft soap and the Irish Spring at $4.99. Buy 2, get back a register reward. How nice is that? So, unfortunately, the digital coupon is for either or. It's not just on the one item. And then also we have the nice Irish Spring. So whichever one you want to grab. I know a lot of you like to look at the labels. So here it is. And so just grabbing 2 of these beautiful body washes, because I really do like soft soap. I don't think it's the worst. So grabbing 2 of them for $9.98. And then we have this digital coupon to load, which is $1 off. And unfortunately, it's on either one. It's either like the Irish Spring or the soft soap. Didn't give us $1 off of each. That would have been really nice. So looking at our matchup here, guys, again, grabbing 2 of those soft soaps for $9.98, subtracting the $1 digital, you're paying $8.98 out of pocket. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per body wash. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Absolutely go for it. Okay, so before I take off, let's have a little giveaway. For this giveaway, you got to be a subscriber to this channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. We're looking at 1 entry per person, and the one winner will be picked on Wednesday, June the 8th. This is completely free to enter, and I pay for the shipping to send the gift card out. I just know that you guys really have enjoyed these the last couple weeks that I've hosted them, so I just thought it would be kind of a nice gesture. I know you guys love shopping at Walgreens, and hopefully this will help you a little bit with some of the costs if you are the lucky winner. Good luck, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.